Welcome to Color Spectrum Guide, your go-to spot for color inspiration. From paint to fashion, we help you master the power of color. Subscribe for more vibrant ideas. Are you looking to create a magical space for your little ones? With Asian paints, designing a vibrant, kid-friendly room has never been easier. Are you looking to create a magical space for your little ones? With Asian paints, designing a vibrant, kid-friendly room has never been easier. Choose from a wide array of vibrant colors to match your child's personality. Whether it's energetic yellows, calming blues, or playful pinks, there's a perfect shade waiting for you. Take it a step further with themed designs. Transform their room into a jungle safari, a starry galaxy, or even an underwater wonderland. Bring their dreams to life with Asian paints, stencils, stickers, and textured finishes. Let your imagination run wild. Painting is easy and fun with Asian paints. The quick-drying formula and smooth application make your makeover hassle-free. Create a space where your kids can learn, play, and grow with Asian paints, because every child deserves a room as special as they are. Ready to begin? Start your colorful journey with Asian paints today. Thanks for watching Color Spectrum Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more colorful ideas. See you in the next one.